Dynamics can be very effective in a blues guitar solo as well. Like take, for instance, a slow blues in the key of B flat. You know, a lot of times I'll like to start a slow blues off very quiet because that kind of brings in the listener. And then if you feel you're reading the crowd and they feel like they're not really paying attention to you, dynamics can also work in the reverse of that too, where you can build up a solo in repetition and play the same dynamics, just louder, softer, and different things. And I'll really play on that too. So in a slow blues in the key of B flat, to start things off with dynamics, I'll start off 9 times out of 10 very quiet, you know. So in the slow blues, I'll play like this intro, really quiet. You know, and I'll keep it there. I'll play with it. I'll maybe add more intensity and more volume and more dynamics the more I would go. And then I would, you know, play more notes and get more intense as the solo progressed. You know, I would take maybe, 24 bars, and then on that third one, then I would start adding more volume and start being more intense. You know, it's like a conversation that you have. You know, you're talking, and you get more intense when you get excited. And blues is the same way, in dynamics. And, you can tell when somebody's getting more exciting by just the way you would build the solo, And a good, example of that, I play things like, when I'm up in the solo, I would play. Just different licks in the key of B flat, just more, more notes, more intensity, more volume, everything.